Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to use this video ads to playable converter. This tool transforms your video ads into playables as video HTML embeds, which are compatible with the ad network of your choice. It essentially provides access to premium playable inventory with just a few clicks. Let me walk you through how this works. First, you'll want to upload your video. Here, I've got a few ad creatives from the game Kingshot. So let's go ahead and choose one of these videos, which is 0.2 MB in size. If your file is over 3.5 MB, the tool will automatically compress it to ensure the playable stays within the 5 MB limit that most playable ad networks require. As the video is compressing, let me explain why we built this tool. Most user acquisition teams struggle to access playable inventory due to the high cost of creating interactive playables. Plus, it requires significant tech bandwidth. If you're using an external agency, it can become even more costly. So, we made this tool completely free to give you access to premium playable inventory and start experimenting without the hefty price tag. Now that the video has been compressed, the next step is to select your ad network. I'm going to select Mintegral. You can also choose your call to action or customize it. You have the flexibility to put in any text you want here and customize the color scheme. I'm choosing a green colorway. After that, you'll set your App Store URL. I'm taking the URL from the Play Store and pasting it here. That's all there is to it. Just hit generate, and your playable is created. Now, you'll see the entire HTML code for your creative right here. You can download it and directly upload it onto the ad network. In this case, you can download this file and add it to your campaign in Mintegral. And here's what the playable looks like. It's really that simple. Give it a try and let us know what you think.